What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll talk about the iPhone 10R on the iOS 14.3 beta 3. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So it's been more than a day that Apple released this firmware and I'm using this on my device, and I am impressed with the performance on iPhone 10R on iOS 14.3 beta 3. So the performance is going really awesome. I have not experienced with any stutters, any lag or any resprings. Yeah, earlier whenever I used to update my iPhone 10R, yeah, I used to get some stutters sometimes, or my battery health is also at 93%, so you can't argue that my battery health is less. That's why I was getting some stutters earlier, but I was getting some stutters early on beta 1 and beta 2, but that was just not major, and in beta 3 I didn't even got those. But I will be covering more information on my follow-up video next week, so you can subscribe and turn notification if you are new here. Now talking about the storage, I got around 1.2 gigabytes back after installing this update on my iPhone 10R. I was at 85 gigabytes and now I have 87 gigabytes. I mean, I was at 85 point something gigabytes. I don't remember right now. I forgot to take the screenshot, but I got around 1 to 1.5 GB of storage back after installing this update. And talking about the stability, this update is one of the most stable betas I have ever used in iOS 14.3 since Apple is rolling out the beta 1, beta 2. No update was as stable as this one. It straight away means that we are really close to the release, so we may see the official release in next 1 to 2 weeks. Now, talking about the scores that I give to every firmware when I install it on my device, I would give it a solid 9.2 out of 10 in terms of performance. In terms of stability, I would give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. In terms of battery life, I would I would give it a 8, because of course 8 is also not bad, but I would give it a 8 because battery life is actually about the same, because I expected the beta 3 to give me some more battery backup, because beta 2 reduced my battery backup by like 30-40 minutes, and it is still the same. So I would give it a 8 because I expected beta 3 to perform much better in terms of battery life than beta 2, because as you know, we are really close to the release, and this is not a good sign that the last beta or the second last beta, according to some people I'm talking, according to some YouTubers and according to some iOS YouTubers, I talked about the betas, and they said we may see beta 4, but I think this is the last beta. So according to me, I expected that the battery life would have been gotten better, but I would give it a 8 anyways, because still the battery life is good, but it is still not the point at the iOS 14.3. But man, I'm still really confused why battery life is not going good on my iPhone 10. The last question of the day: when will we see the iOS 14.3 public release? So, as per my source, and what do I think, is that we may see iOS 14.3 Gold Master for developers and the official version for public in around 7 to 8 days, which is just like next week. Next week is really like it is just in corner, so we may see the official version really soon. And yeah, my exams will be starting really soon, so I will be less active on YouTube, but I'll try to post as much as possible, so you can turn on notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video. Peace out, I'll meet you all in the very next episode. And yeah, you can just like this video if this video was helpful for you. Peace.